I have been vacuuming my zucchini plants for a while with my BLACK+DECKER vacuum, handheld vacuum. It's a great way for getting stink bugs up out of the garden. They are extensive in the middle of June and they kill plants faster than anything. I've already been losing zucchini. You can see the opening where I had some plants, but the stink bugs killed it. So let me see if I can do this while holding the camera. If I get in close, you can kind of see where there's a few of them all over the place. I'm going to start vacuuming and they get crazy. They start coming out of the leaves and everything. So here we go. Yeah, it's that easy. I've got a whole bunch of them, leaves and grass and dirt too. But you know, I have been doing this, you know, multiple times every day, and this machine just keeps sucking up the bugs. I love it. I've lost my plants by May every year. This is the first year I've had them this long. I'm really glad for this vacuum cleaner in my garden.